Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ridenexus and subscribe my channel. State that this is a stunning digital render of a highly modified black Honda sedan. Emphasize the ultra-wide, aggressive stance created by the Widebody kit. Mention the massive bolt-on style fender flares over the front and rear wheels, giving it a menacing look. Note the visible carbon fiber texture on the flares and side skirts, suggesting a lightweight, high-performance build. Point out the large, multi-spoke black wheels and the extremely wide, low-profile performance tires. Describe the modernized rear design, the distinctive, thin full-width LED taillight bar, the dual square-tipped exhaust outlets integrated into the aggressive rear diffuser, hinting at serious power. Speculate on the base vehicle, for example. It seems to borrow design cues from the latest Honda Civic or Accord sedan, but significantly lowered and widened. Since it's a render, talk about what it would need to match this look. Hypothetical engine, a high-output engine like a turbocharged 2.0 LVT EC engine, or even an imaginary WD hybrid system for 350 horsepower. A track-ready, coilover suspension setup to achieve that low ride height and handling. Conclude that this render is a perfect example of how digital artists push the boundaries of car design, merging Honda's reliability with extreme aftermarket styling. Ask the viewers, do you think Honda should build a car like this? What would you name this wide-body monster?